In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in DocHub. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to DocHub.com and you want to sign into your account. After you do that, click on New Document, top left, select your file from the File Explorer, click on it, click on Open, and then it's going to basically just open up and upload your file. So once that's done, you want to click on Create Document, and it's going to create the document for you. But of course, in case you have any documents inside your dashboard already, you can go ahead and just click on any of these, and they're going to open up like this inside an editor. So to actually sign this document, click on Sign up top over here, and then click on Create Your Signature. Then here you have 4 different options. You can either use your phone, so you can scan this QR code and you can use your phone as a signature pad so you can sign it with your finger essentially, or you can basically type in your phone number and they're going to send you a link where you can do your phone signature with your finger as well. You can also draw it in here, so we can just go ahead and type in whatever you want, and this is going to be like a drawing. It's going to be your signature, or you can upload an image of your signature in case you have one, or just type it in here by first, of course, typing in your name, and then you can select any of these fonts in here, and you can always switch between signature and initials as well. You can do this inside every single one of these, as you can see. So that's pretty much when it comes to this. You have to, of course, select one. I'm just going to go ahead and let's say I'm going to select this one over here, and I'm going to click on Save as Default. And then this has been saved. You then want to click on Sign up here, and then you can see, let me just remove this, there we go. Click on Sign, and then down here under Signatures, you'll be able to see your signature. Click on it, and you'll be able to then position it anywhere inside the document. So let's say I want to sign here at the very bottom. I'm going to just release it by clicking. There we go. And you can make it a bit bigger. You can move it around. You can zoom it in. You can make it a bit kind of taller or a bit wider. And that's pretty much all you can do with it, of course. So that's pretty much how you actually sign documents in DocHub. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.